Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So just to start off, I just want to say thanks a million to everyone who's subscribed to the channel so far. It's really great. We've got over 1,000 subscribers now. It's still not making any money from YouTube and it won't either for a long time because it's dependent on subscribers and watch hours, but it's amazing to have so many subscribers to the channel, and I'm glad that you're all enjoying how we build the city, although this video is a lot of more demolition nearly than building. So we've decided, as I said in the last video, to change the design of the city to allow us to put in a wooden baseboard for the upper city more so than the Technic bricks. And the reason for this being, I had the Technic bricks so we could get access to the point switches and the IR sensors for the trains, but there was too many mechanisms under the city, and although nothing has gone wrong yet, if something did go wrong, it would be just an absolute nightmare to try to get to it. And the new design allows for a lot more modular buildings, so we're changing it up a little bit, and I hope it makes sense to everybody, I suppose, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch up with you at the end just to go over what we've done. So that's pretty much all the building and demolition done this week, guys. And as you can see, I've got the timber baseboard in now for the upper city, and I've used these fitted kitchen table legs. They're adjustable, so it enabled me to get them perfectly level and get it lined up that I can just fit the base plate in and lock it into the plate there perfectly. So it's exactly the right level for a number of bricks. And as you can see there, it sits in perfectly level. So I'm going to have the road come up the hill, turn around by the brick bank. I'm still planning to put the brick bank on that corner, and that's it. So that's the redesign of the city this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next time, I'll see you later.